branches. I hate you.
Stop interrupting my snipping.
Look at her go. You're actually open-mouthed panting.
So unskewered.
Mabel, Mabel, Mabel. I chew on this, I chew on this. Mabel. Come on, Mabel.
Still really uncoordinated through the brush.
Yeah. Well, shoot, most everything is taller than her. Shoot, there's some mint plants that are taller than her. That's supposed to be a ground cover plant, you know?
Well, so is she.
She's a ground cover plant. Mabel, Mabel! And she comes back. Oh!
Too tall a stick.
Maybe if I go this way. I'm trying to follow her so bad. She's just trying to get away from her. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. It's okay, Jeff, honey. Yeah? You gonna go poop? No? I have to jump over the smallest things. You should see her running full out through the woods trying to keep up with Gypsy. And like little logs like that.